Lorna Reyes.
Kaya pa? Anyway, we still have 30 minutes. Mag-start na kaagad tayo while waiting for our... Nakakulik ka ba? Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So, habang sinasagutan ninyo yan, yung inyong commitment to connect, meron din tayo sasagutan sa screen. Okay. Bakit ayaw? Okay, so we are now on what session?
4.
Session 4. So we still have 2 remaining sessions tomorrow and on Friday. Okay? So we're done with session 1. HOTS PLP walkthrough. And then we have the session 2 that was already discussed yesterday. Solo HOTS in the classroom. And then we have the session 3, supporting HOTS in the classroom through learning approaches. And now we are on the session 4. No? Supposed to be, I will be discussing this morning at 10 o'clock. But then you had a very good discussion with Ma'am Amsi. At saka napakaganda naman kasi very engaging and everyone participated in the activities that she has given, the group activities. Okay. So you might be asking, bakit ako ay sa Batra sa Central School, tapos napunta ako ng high school? Ang akin pong orientation is also in high school. BS Ed rin po ako. Napunta lang ako ng elementary at ako'y ng school head sa elementary. Yan. Okay, konting background na. Okay, so our session objectives for this time, we have at the end of the session, participants will be able to identify the components of the HOTS learning package. So you had the walkthrough with our learning package with Ma'am Nova, and I do believe that you had a full grasp of our package, learning package. Because in my session, you have to go back, you have to review also your learning packages. No? Yung ating teacher at saka dun sa learner. Okay, so we have to identify the components of the HOTS, and then you are going to analyze. Mag-a-analyze naman kayo. If in the previous session, you had the development of your communicative skills or language skills orally. So this time, in my session, susulat naman kayo because I have so many worksheets to give you and for you to answer or to do. So you are going to analyze how the solo-based item is crafted. Okay? And then, number 3 objective, practice. Okay, so this is the time that you are going to practice writing sample items and rationalization based on the solo framework. Yan. Okay? Sige. Then we have another. Okay, so this particular session focuses or addresses strategies for developing critical and creative thinking as well as other higher thinking skills. So it addresses PPST strength 1.5 for proficient teachers and highly proficient teachers. Or our teacher 1 to 3 for proficient and master teachers for highly proficient. And for the school heads, the teaching performance feedback. Because as we all know, the school heads are the one monitoring or checking your lesson plans. But if you have your master teachers, of course, the master teacher also observe you in your classes. No? So you are having your class observation with your master teachers. Okay? And for the PPSS, for the supervisors, we have the support for instructional leadership. Okay, that's the KRA, one of the KRAs of our supervisors. Okay, so for the presentation of the outline, we have presentation of the HOTS learning package, run through the parts of the learning package, examine how each item in the package is crafted, practice answering questions based on solo-based item framework, give rationalization, what's the reason behind, or what is, why did you write this particular question? And you will also be asked to write the acceptable answer and what is the reason behind your answers and the questions formulated. Okay, then you are going to craft also the solo-based items and justify its level. So susulat kayo what kind of solo-based item was crafted or was written, and then i-justify nyo anong level nag-fall yung item na yun. Okay? So ito ay, okay, priming activity. Let us recall. Let us have a review of your knowledge on the solo HOTS. Okay? Sige. So we'll do it this way. Siguro parang quiz B. Walang magsusolo, although this is solo HOTS. Walang magsusolo, by table ang pagsagot. Lahat dapat sabay-sabay ang taas ng kamay. Kung alam ang sagot, lahat ay sabay-sabay. Pag wala nakataas yung, pag hindi nakataas yung isa, wala kayong point. Dapat lahat kayo. If you are 10 seated on your table, dapat 10 din kayong tataas ng kamay at sabay-sabay na sasabihin ang sagot. Will that be okay? Okay ba yun? Okay, sige. Tignan natin. Kung naalala niyo pa yung inyong mga lessons kahapon with Ma'am Heidi. Yan. Okay. Number 1. So, anong ating instructions? Group answer. Lahat ng mga nakaupo dyan sa lamesa tataas ng kamay. Pag may kulang, kulang, hindi kayo pwedeng puntusan. Okay? Paunahan po ito ha, paunahan. Siyempre, mas maraming puntos, may premyo, may free lunch. Okay. Ready? Number 1. Ay, teka lang. Yan, ang tanong. Ay, yun na kailangan sabay-sabay. Okay, this group here, raise their hands. Anong group naman kayo? Bini. Ano? Bini. Group Bini. Nauna po sila. Sige. Baba na po ang kamay. What's your answer, Bini group? Let's check. Okay. 1 point for Bini group. So what does solo stand for? It's
Structure of the observed learning outcomes.
Yan, tandaan nyo ha. Okay, number 2. We proceed to number 2. Okay. Ay, sila ulit? Ano ba yan? Ma'am Nova, pakitulungan ako magbantay. Kasi, how many levels? Sino bang nauna? Parang sila ulit kanina. Doon, nagpo-protesta. Okay, how many levels are there in solo taxonomy?
5. Letter C.
Let us check.
Letter C.
Kanina ayaw. Kailangan lalapit talaga. Okay, letter C. 1.4. What group are you? Group 8. Ayan. 1 point for group 8. 1.4. Bini. Ready? Number 3. Samsam, kung ready na. Nakatasakad sila. Wala pa ka. Okay. Palakpak muna kung ready na. Ayan. Sige. Number 3. Ma'am Nova, patulong kabantay kung sino maunang lahat ay sabay-sabay ang taas na kamay. Sabay-sabay dapat ha. Ready? Okay. Letter A, what level of understanding does a learner demonstrate when he can give two or more pieces of data or information? Let's check. The answer is letter A. 2 points for Group A. Ayan. Oo. Okay, next, number 4. Ready na? Palakpak ulit kung ready na. Mag-robot dito kasi kasakit na si Luto kasi kailangan tingin. Okay. Number 4. Ulo. Antayin muna ang question na ka-post doon. Mabuta tayo sa kamay. Ready? Go! Ay, lahat sa sila. Sabay-sabay. Okay, ano ang sagot? Letter? Okay, if a question asks for a specific answer, only one piece. Sabay-sabay, sagutin. Unistructural. 1 point lahat. Oh, may 1 point na lahat. Clap your hands again if you're ready. Yan. Kung paggutom lang yan, parang marami kayo makainin mamaya. Number 5. Okay, yan. Sino na una? Okay, ano group? 10. Solomon model is anchored with Bloom's taxonomy. True or false? True. Tignan natin. Okay, true. 1 point for group 10. Oh, 2 points na sila? Oh, anyway. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And 1 lahat sila. Next! Palakpak! Okay, number 6. Wala pa? Wala pa nga. Ready? Go! What group? Group 1? Oh, group 1 sa na group 1. Ito. Gitna. 4. Okay. Solo thinking is consistent with how the brain learns. Tignan natin, true or false? True! Oo, yun ang sagot, true.
Wala magtaas ng
Okay, so 1 point. Tama ba sagot yung true?
Rating na, di ba?
Okay, next! Palakpak ulit! Number 7. Ready? There. Sila? Okay. Which are the learning approaches in science? What's your answer? Letter D. Let us check. Kung letter D, 2 and 4, inquiry-based and collaborative and cooperative learning. Letter D, correct. Okay. Next. Number 8. O, wala pa. Ready, go! Sila ulit. Which approach drives its learner to be responsible not only for their own learning, but also their peers? Sino yan? Group 8. Letter C. Let us check if it's letter C. Correct, letter C. Ilan na sila? Nakarami na ang group 8. 4 points. Okay, last 2. We have 9 and 10. Ready, set, go! Ay, sino ulit naman? 2 and 3, learners discover new information. Learners create questions on their own. Let us check. Letter B, right. Okay, and the last. Ready? Number 10. Go! What group? Okay, group 10. Which approach encourages not only reflection, but also promotes promotes critical thinking and further develop hearts. What is your answer? Letter A. Let us check if it is metacognitive approach. Letter A. Ah, gagaling nila. Palakpakan niyo yung mga sarili ninyo. Solo taxonomy. What are the level of solo taxonomy that is equivalent to the blooms? Pagka uni, that is okay, uni and multi that fall under lots. Okay, di ba? Tandaan. Uni and multi that fall under lots. Pag relational and extended abstract, that fall under HATS already. Okay, clear? Sige. Next. O, dito naman, sa relational, interview your parents. Answers may vary, but learner has to understand the ideas and relate this. Yan. Hindi yung belief ng bata, di ba? Ang tinutukoy doon sa relational, but the belief of his grandparents or other people relating it doon sa text na binabasa, na pinag-aaralan. So, hindi lamang siya relate doon sa sarili ng bata, but he could relate it to other people. Okay? Sige. Next. Okay, we have health breakdown, 30 minutes. Okay, workshop 4B. So this is supporting hands in the classroom. Okay, session, the same objectives. You are going to supply the activity sheet with acceptable